read it. That. Lind.
Scrolling on my phone, my kids caught to myself. I'm greener.
Guys, this is breakfast today. Eat up. Good views for it. Our first meal in Copenhagen is bread, peanut butter and bananas on top of this like rooftop thing. Bit of a struggle meal. I woke up super puffy today, I actually don't know why. We'll delve into the whole nightmare of the room maybe when we get back, but the room is the nightmare, whereas in the last hotel we were having nightmares. That's breakfast today.
Freedom I get from the work that I do, thoughts that I choose, feelings I soothe, finding the mingle of ease.
I wish that was the start of all my videos. Part 21, who the fuck did I marry? Guys, firstly, let's address the elephant in the room. But we look so pale. I need to get a new jacket because I, for some reason, didn't think it would be cold in summer. And now I'm having to wear the same outfit every day, which is a little tragic. Why do I look so much bigger than you?
Look at my head shape.
It's my little sister. We couldn't engage with Copenhagen yesterday because of this hotel.
You told them the struggles of this hotel.
I haven't told them.
Has booking.com got back to you yet?
They have not. And it's been 24 hours. Guys, when I tell you this room is a jail cell, I'd show you, but I think I'd have to put a trigger warning in because the beds are like literal prison cell beds and everything broken and there's stains on everything. The beds aren't even made.
No, it's like
so,
a play gymnastics mat as our mattress.
So sleeping really well. Tonight we're gonna go out for a little drink poo. Don't know where yet. And it's meant to start raining, so we're a bit concerned about our plans coming up. We look, yeah. I feel like I look like wrecked right now.
The midday slump
goes
has
out
begun.
for 4 hours. Can't function. Anyway, that's the hoedown showdown.
Yeah.
Anything else to add?
We need to get some lollies.
Yeah, we need some pirate lollies.
Yep. That's all for me.
That.
On the first day, we just explored the city a bit and got used to the metro system, which was actually the easiest of anywhere we went. We ended up wandering to this really beautiful park, and I craved this type of nature the whole trip, so I was at peace here, like I felt myself again.
this hotel has done us so badly. We've had to pay for a room upgrade because of our room was so bad. And then they've been like, okay, well you have to check out and check back in. So we're like, can you hold our bags? No, you'll have to pay to put them in lockers. This girl, she had it out for us. She's given us both top lockers to put our suitcases in. Our giant suitcases into top lockers. And like, we paid for the room upgrade. Like, they didn't give it to us complimentary, even though there was stuff broken in our room, so we couldn't stay in that room. And they've been so rude the whole time. Like,
Except for that one.
do not stay at Go Hotel City in Copenhagen if you ever come here, because like, it has literally ruined our plans for the day. Like, we can't go and do anything now. Hey guys, we are on the way. Sorry, I just missed your selfie. On the way to a bar. The way I feel no inkling to go out at any point during this year. Like, this year I have stayed inside every single day, but we're forcing ourselves to be social.
Yeah.
You have to be social in your 20s. You don't.
Although I fear they're not going to be able to, like, they're the locals, so they might not speak English.
We'll see. I got through all my bags. This day was so fun. We got lucky with the weather and ventured back into the city to try a Danish breakfast plate. I actually really liked it, but boiled eggs aren't my favourite thing, that's for sure.
Swallowtail, he's a noisy call. And the last of the frost will thaw. Reborn. Getting warm of the spring.
We then went to the botanical gardens where we promptly got stuck in the rain and ended up talking to this American couple for over an hour. And it also gave us an excuse to check out the homeware stores.
Smell of rain. Muddy grasses across the plain. Red-winged blackbird, soft refrain. Reborn.
This new apartment tour. That's all our laundry because nothing works in this hotel. There's more over there. There's more hanging up. Here's some of our laundry. You can go right up here. Today we are going to the library. We wanted to go do other stuff, but it is unfortunately raining. So we're going to the library and then we might go to the grotto for dinner. for lunch. So yeah, that's the update, sweetie.
A lot to say today.
Good morning guys, ignore the state of me. I could not sleep a wink last night, so I've decided the next best thing, stay up all night and watch the sunrise. I don't think it's going to be the best sunrise because it's quite cloudy. It rained yesterday. I mean, it's pretty nice, but I'm pretty dead. Anyways, jet lag still has hold of me and it's been 2 weeks, but anyway, we move. I don't know what we're doing today, but we'll find something. I think I'll speak on it later because I don't know what's going on right now.
completely risen, and although it was peaceful, I was almost delirious with the lack of sleep I'd had. I waited for Lacey to wake up before heading back, and we went to get some breakfast. I finally got my acai bowl. We checked out the huge library, then went to Tivoli Gardens, which was a big inspiration for Walt Disney, I think was the fact, but that's pretty cool. We spent this day truly battling with the rain. It even flash flooded at one point, like our shoes were drenched, our umbrellas were upside down. So we stopped for a quick coffee and got a Joe and the juice, and by that time it had cleared, so we went back up to the wharf to watch the sunset by the water.
I'd go and like